Have you ever had something break at home and suddenly you didn't know how to explain the problem in English? Maybe your sink is leaking, your heater isn't working, or your electricity stops, and you feel stressed because you don't have the right words.
That's a very common situation. When something breaks at home, you usually need to explain the issue clearly, ask for help, and understand instructions. And if English is not your first language, this can feel overwhelming.
Exactly. You might think, how do I describe the problem? Or what if I don't understand what the technician says? These are real concerns, and today we're going to help you feel more confident in this situation.
In this conversation, you'll learn how to report a problem, ask for clarification, understand simple explanations, and communicate naturally with a repair technician.
We'll also include useful vocabulary and real expressions that native speakers use every day.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through real-life conversations like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. All right, let's get started.
It's early evening, and I'm at home. I've just noticed that something is wrong in my kitchen. There's water on the floor, and it seems to be coming from under the sink.
That's definitely not a good sign.
No, it's not. I try to check it myself, but I'm not sure what's causing the problem, so I decide to call a repair service.
Hello, this is Home Fix Services. How can I help you today?
Hi, good evening. I'm calling because I have a problem with my kitchen sink. There's water leaking underneath it.
I see. When you say leaking, do you mean water is dripping slowly or is it flowing more heavily?
It's not pouring, but it's more than just a few drops. I'd say it's a steady drip, and it's starting to collect on the floor.
Understood. That helps. How long has this been happening?
I just noticed it about 20 minutes ago, but I'm not sure when it actually started.
All right. Have you used the sink recently?
Yes, I was washing dishes about an hour ago.
That makes sense. Sometimes leaks become more noticeable after using water.
That makes sense.
Have you tried turning off the water supply under the sink?
I'm not sure how to do that.
No problem. Under the sink, there should be a small valve. If you turn it clockwise, it should stop the water flow.
Okay, let me check. Just a moment. All right, I see it. I turned it and I think the water stopped.
Great. That's a good first step. It prevents further leaking.
Yes, I'm relieved.
We can send a technician to take a look. Would tomorrow morning work for you?
Yes, that would be perfect. What time?
We have availability between 9 and 11 a.m.
Okay, that works for me.
Can I have your address, please?
Yes, it's 245 Maple Street, apartment 3B.
Got it. And your name?
Anna Collins.
All right, Anna. The technician will call you before arriving.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. We'll see you tomorrow.
The next morning, I hear a knock at the door.
Hi, good morning. I'm Leo from Home Fix Services. I'm here to check the leak.
Good morning. Please come in.
Thank you. Could you show me where the problem is?
Yes, it's right here in the kitchen, under the sink.
All right, let me take a look. I see what's happening. There's a loose pipe connection here.
A loose connection?
Yes, that means the pipe isn't tightly secured, so water is escaping from the joint.
Oh, I see. So that's why it's leaking.
Exactly. Leak means water is escaping from somewhere it shouldn't.
Got it. Leak.
Also, there's a bit of wear on this seal.
Sorry, could you repeat that? What is seal?
Of course, a seal is a part that prevents water from passing through. It keeps everything tight and secure.
Ah, that makes sense.
In your case, the seal is slightly damaged, which is contributing to the leak.
Understood.
The good news is that this is a simple fix. I'll tighten the connection and replace the seal.
That sounds good. Will it take long?
No, it should take about 20 to 30 minutes.
Perfect.
I'll also check the rest of the pipes to make sure there are no other issues.
I appreciate that.
While I'm working, you might hear some noise. That's normal.
No problem.
I'm just removing the old seal now.
Okay.
And now I'm installing a new one.
Great.
All right, let's test it. Could you turn on the faucet for me?
Sure.
Perfect. No leaks now.
That's a relief.
Everything looks good. The connection is secure and the seal is new.
Thank you so much. That was fast.
You're welcome. Just a quick tip. If you ever notice moisture or small drops under the sink, it's good to check it early.
That's good advice.
Catching the problem early can prevent bigger damage.
Right, that makes sense.
I'll prepare the invoice for you.
Okay.
The total comes to $85 for the repair and parts.
Okay.
You can pay by card or cash.
I'll pay by card.
All set. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
If you have any issues again, feel free to call us.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too.
And that brings us to the end of today's conversation.
Today, you practiced how to describe a problem at home, ask for help, and understand a repair explanation in English.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. What matters is being clear, calm, and willing to ask questions.
It's completely okay to say things like, "Could you repeat that?" or "What does that mean?"
Those small moments help you learn faster and communicate better.
Keep practicing, and little by little, these situations will feel more natural.
If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Take care and keep learning.